para po malaman academic achievements mo from elementary hanggang college. Okay, so get to know me on this video. Start na lang natin sa daycare. Dalawang beses akong nag-daycare. I'm the most outstanding student. Sino teacher ko? Mama ko. Pero anyway, grade 1, third honor. Then grade 2 hanggang grade 6, first honor. So I graduated as the class valedictorian during elementary. Tapos, ako best lahat sa subjects. Moving on, grade 7, third honor. Nag-start ata ng grade 8 ako nung with honors, with high honors, ganyan. So grade 8 until grade 10, third honor ako. Yun yung parang ranking ko sa buong school. Pero with high honors akong nag-moving up. Tapos, ayun, lumipat ako ng school kasi mag-HUMS ako. Grade 11 and grade 12, ako yung top 1 ng buong HUMS. Tapos, yung buong ranking ko, second highest sa buong school. Pero tatlo kasi yung parang rank ng top 1. So parang papunta siya sa rank 4. Pero considering na tie yung ranking, second po. Okay, tapos, ayun, first year college hanggang fourth year, consistent din sa lister. Tapos, mga last months lang ng third year nung na-confirm kong running ako for Latin Honors. And I was running for class valedictorian. So, yan, guys, I graduated as the class valedictorian of the graduating class of the College of Engineering 2024. If other achievements pa, pinaka-proud ako na achievement is that I was the sole passer during the UST undergraduate scholarship examination noon sa school namin. Tapos, HUMS pa. So, I take pride on that. Kasi non-prior yung HUMS. And in order to be able to qualify para makapag-exam, kailangan mong belong sa top 5% of the graduating class. Tapos, aside from that, I was the president of the provincial org of the UST Scholars here in Ilocos Sur. And I'm proud to hear that I was able to attend first ever SLC bootcamp. Tapos, nakapag-join din ako ng National Patriot Scholars Congress. The first, Tapos, ako pa yung isang speaker, nag-share ng isa sa mga project ng Region 1.